This is undeniably the best Galaxy Fold they've ever made.
This is the multitasking device. This is sort of the standard when it comes to folding devices. The most striking thing immediately is just how tight they've made that gap.
It means there's less room for dust and dirt to get in and scratch the screen, and it means they've been able to make this both thinner and lighter.
First impressions, it looks like a refinement for sure. A matte finish on the back, so it's not going to attract too many fingerprints.
People are going to want to get the slim S Pen case. Take a look at the back. It opens completely flat. The Z Fold 5's display does also get brighter than the Z Fold 4.
Which makes it a fair bit easier to use outdoors.
Multitasking is fantastic, so if I go to the gallery app, drag it there, I've got 3 apps open at once.
You can see our multitasking at the bottom as well, so we can quickly launch into our other apps.
It comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, so you'll notice improvements in battery life specifically.
So it's faster and more efficient. So as you would expect, this just breezes through everything you throw at it. The new ISP in the 8 Gen 2 chip is clearly having an impact because I've noticed across all cameras improvements to detail, dynamic range, and more accurate colors.
These systems have gotten a lot smarter, and this is going to be usable portrait mode. Use this or as a tripod, basically. I'm using these external cameras if you want to film yourself without needing to prop the phone up. The phone is propping itself up.